this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing. Our razor classical shaving machine here for you guys from China, cheaper but good product is stainless steel to do a real shave for man. From the box, let's see, here we go. Lovely looking box is saying that you can see the branding NI 997 shaver Jinglang, something as this Chungfang. We should be open from this side. You can see it's good. It's coming. Let's go. What we have more inside the box? We have a brush for clean, and we have a blade. You can see. Fine. Nothing else. And we have a mirror. If you want to use this one, not bad. Put that there. Here is, and you see how it is. This is stainless steel. This part normally plastic. Normally this breaks over time. Normally this part only. The bottom, this one, feel as a steel as well. So moving. Quality product, has some weight to it. So you know guys, you put blade here, you close, and after that you shave. That's all. Nothing fancy, nothing special. Yeah. So easy and simple. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.